Good day, friends, my name is Joe Poke, and welcome back to Space Engine. Wow, it's been a while. It's been like a month, maybe even more than a month since I made a video. That's unacceptable, and it won't happen again. Hopefully. So I know I try not to make the same game back to back, but it's been so long that I figure why not just make another Space Engine video. They're the most popular series, so I figured I'd make another one. Plus they're fun to record, and I haven't done it in a while. So yeah. By the way, the channel just hit 10,000 views as of recording this, which is awesome. Thank you, friends. That is really cool. Yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so in the comments, someone suggested that I go to the edge of the universe. Now, I've done this in my spare time. I haven't done it in a long time, but I did it once, and it is pretty interesting to see because when you get to a certain point, there's just like nothing there. It does take a little bit to get there because I'm at the Milky Way right now, Milky Way. I'm at the Milky Way right now, so it's gonna take a little bit. So I think I'm just gonna speed up the video, and I'm gonna show how long I'm gonna put like a timer of how long it actually takes. So, I will see you when we get there. Okay, we made it to the edge of the universe. Now, I'm not, as I've said several times, I'm not an astrophysicist or an astronomer or whatever spacey career people are out there. But I don't know if this is actually how the edge, if the universe has an edge, or if this is what it would actually look like. But this is how it's rendered in the game. And what I find interesting is how long it takes to get there. I'll know when I edit this how long it took, but it's just crazy to see that. I want to see the video back because you pass so many galaxies, and I'm pretty sure the universe in this game is like a sphere. So those are all galaxies that you pass with their own stars and planets, and it's unbelievable how much this game like has in it, how big it is. It's ridiculous, to be perfectly honest, and it's crazy because this game is like 1 gigabyte. Or this program, or whatever. I keep calling it a game. What? I don't know. Okay, this program is like 1 gigabyte, and it has all of that, all these galaxies in it up until this point. Here's like the edge of the universe right here. Just kind of creepy just to see nothingness on this side here. But yeah, this 1 gig game program, whatever you want to call it, has all of these galaxies in it. It's unbelievable. But enough of that, let's go find pretty stuff again, because that's all I know how to do. Yay. I'm gonna go back to the Milky Way. Let's see, what can we do? What's all that? So these are all, I think the NGC galaxies, or I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure the NGC galaxies and stuff are actually real places, or that we know of, but I'm not entirely sure. But I know a lot of the galaxies that we know of have an NGC prefix, or galaxies clusters, or nebulas, I think, have them. I don't know for sure, but a lot of space stuff that we know of has NGC in the beginning, so maybe that's what that means, because I think the M ones are like generated, and they're not necessarily real. Or maybe it's the M ones, the R ones, RG. Maybe that means random galaxy. I don't know. I'm not going to try to sound like I do, but I'm saying what I think. Many of you can correct me, I'm sure. NGC 4178. It says SBC. Does that mean like Spiral Bar Galaxy? Whoa, this one looks cool. Let's take a peek. Oh, look at this. The first planet I click on. The first system I click on has a planet with life. Please be not an Oceania. Oh, a Titan with life. Let's check it out. It's been a while since I've recorded this. It feels like it's been so long. Wow, orbits. Hello. I'm gonna turn you off for now. What the heck? What are these arrows? Oh man, I must have hit something when I was on here last time. Oh no. Okay, so while I was trying to figure out what those arrows were, the game crashed. Don't know why. Completely out of nowhere. I think it was actually an NVIDIA thing. But whatever. So I figured out what those were, and I turned them off. They were vectors, which I don't know for sure, but I'm gonna make a guess, and I think that's like arrows pointing to where the object is headed, or you know, where it's going. Maybe. Who knows? I'm probably not right. Let's find some more pretty stuff. Or, you know, interesting things. Ooh, this desert looks very green. I like my greens. Whoa, this is a cool color. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. It's like a turquoise. Cool. This is a very weird color. I have certainly... Really? Again? Well, that planet was pretty cool, huh? We'll never see it again, probably. There's a very small chance we'll ever see that planet again because the game just crashed and I lost everything again. I'm not mad, don't worry about it. A nice cold desert to lighten the mood. Oh, look, my vectors are back on. Let's turn those off again. Let's see, I think it was in view. Vectors, bye-bye. Okay. So this is a desert. It kind of looks like an oceana. Whoa. I don't know if I just... The way I just came in here made it look like the mountains were enormous, but I don't know if they actually are or not. Oh look, you can kind of see those faint rings on the outside. Turn. It's a nice touch. I don't know why. It could just be that I haven't been on here in a while, but these mountains look unique in some way. Like I don't know, these like things, these bridge-looking things look weird. Oh, I've seen that texture before. Or I've seen something like it. I think it's in the last video, actually. Yeah, I think these mountains are very tall. They have to be. They look huge. I could just be close to them, but they look tall. Right? Ooh, look at this right nearby. I guess it's a moon. Yeah, it's gotta be a moon. This thing's moon is a temperate desert with a volcano. I haven't looked at volcanoes in a while. That's the ground. Oh wow, this one has a really nice atmosphere. Whoa. Okay, that looks cool. You can't tell me that doesn't look cool. That's a really neat shot. Okay, and screenshot. Perfect. Yeah, that's pretty. If only those hurricanes were a little bit, like, not cut off like that, it would look really, really nice. Oh, I didn't even look at this volcano, though. See, that's weird. This isn't like, even like a volcano. It's just... Well, I guess it's a volcano if it erupts lava, right? I don't know. I'm stupid, but it's not like a mountain volcano, you know? Yeah, I'm sure you know. Why do I keep saying you know? What the heck is this? There's like a weird discoloration over here. Looks like the planet has like a birthmark or something. Okay, we're here at the birthmark. It's not really anything special, it's just like a different color. I don't know if there's a reason for that or if it just is supposed to look weird like that, but that's different. There's also a weird discoloration over here too. And another volcano. What the? This volcano's on the side of a mountain. That is a very weird spot for a volcano. It's just like the texture of the volcano, like planted on the side of a mountain. Well, that is different. I will say that. Probably not what most volcanoes will look like should we find one on an alien planet. But hey, I don't know. I do not know. Okay, let's go to a different galaxy. This one says SA. I'm not sure what that means. I think it means... The S means spiral, I think. Oh wow, this is cool. The two of them are like really close to each other. Whoa, that's actually really cool. They're like almost parallel. That's neat. Huh. Cool. I like that. That's cool. Right, I'm still in that pair of two galaxies. I'm just gonna find some planets in here that look nice. Only if they look nice. That's my one condition. Oh, one with life. Always prioritize the life. Unless it's an aerial life in a gas giant, because that means nothing to me. I mean, it's still pretty cool, I'll be honest, but it's actually very cool. Imagine if we found aerial life on a gas giant. I think I talked about this in a previous video, but that would be quite interesting. A lot of these titans seem to have rings. I'm not sure if that... that's for a reason or if that's just coincidence. That's cool looking. Yeah, like a lot of Titans seem to have rings, and I'm not sure if that's, I don't know why. That's just a common trend I see on this game, program, whatever you want to call it. Cool desert. As in, it's a cool desert, not like cool, a desert. This guy's got some meaty rings. It's a weird adjective to use for a planet's rings, but whatever. Not really a thick atmosphere, but those are some pleasant looking mountains. Everything is cool. Oh, that was so weird. I thought this spelled something for a second. That would have been creepy. Words written out in the mountains of a planet. Man, that kind of freaked me out. Like, I just saw like a here too. I thought this said 0. 0. Like at a glance. I think I'm tired again. Ooh, another planet with life. This might be the last planet of the day, but... And it's an Oceania. Isn't that awesome? Love Oceanias, guys. Love them. Ooh, shall we finish it off with another green planet? Oh, you're very close to the sun. Oh, cool, comets. Whoa, you're very green. Very green. Too green. Oh my goodness, this is green. Look, the sun looks green. So much green. This is what I would imagine Venus looks like on the surface. I don't know why, but this is kind of how I've pictured it. I kind of want to see these comets in action, or meteorites, or meteors, or asteroids. I don't know what they are. They look like comets to me. So they're going to be comets. I wonder if I can speed up time. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can even see the sun in action too. Or is that another comet? That's another asteroid. Or maybe that's a planet that's burning up. Click. Whoa, that's cool. Yeah, it's probably a planet that's like evaporating. Whoa. I just slowed it down just enough. That looks awesome. That looks way cooler than when it's super fast. Ooh. Now you can see those, like I was looking at that in a previous video with those two like things going out, those two like tails. Now you can see it like in action. I guess one of them's coming from the direction that the planet's rotating and the other one's coming from just the sun's heat, maybe? I don't know. One of them is perpendicular with the sun, and the other one is sort of a tail of where the planet's going, or the asteroid, or whatever that is. Yeah, it's a planet. That is really cool. Alright guys, well I'm going to leave this video here. I really hope you enjoyed. I know it's been a while. Man, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do my best to get videos out rapidly. Ooh, I say that and now I feel bad because I hope I can live up to that. I really, really do. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!